Are we in a trade war now?
We've been in a trade war.
Right.
We're finally fighting.
Right. I know you believe that. So now both sides are engaged.
Yes. And $60 billion is not a lot.
No,
okay.
None of. I mean, when you look at the total of global trade,
it's going to end.
Okay.
It keeps going one way,
all right,
and it keeps getting worse.
Yes. Now, if the president his team are really smart, we have a lot of Chinese IPOs. They would say, you know what, guys? We want 40.
You've been on back to that.
I'm not stopping.
What are you trying to do? Get us kicked out of here?
I don't care.
Nor should you.
I think that he just says, okay, listen, you guys want to do it? More companies here? We own 49%. You know, you open a company that is involved with education, well, we're going to shotgun you with Chegg. Chegg's going to own 49% of your company. I am saying that there are many more levers that we have. They need our capital. Their stock market. You look at the stock market.
You got to give opportunities to short sellers. You got to keep having those Chinese IPOs.
Was that some sort of 14th Amendment thing?
I know what the 14th Amendment
is. You do?
Is.
How about the 13th?
I do. No, that one I probably don't.
Called slavery.
But the 14th was, 13th.
Right, it applied to the states of the Fed. It was very, 14th is meant 14th, 5th, and 14th.
14th's the big one.
Well, you can, because it makes it so that the states have the same. I don't think we're not doing constitutional here. I'm just saying that the leverage does change with this 10 versus 25, and that's a better negotiating place. And when Peter Navarro says, "I'm happy," then this ends. You notice that Peter Navarro's not coming on lately.
Was it Navarro's idea to raise your hand and ask for talks again?
No.
We don't know.
I think Navarro's idea is to go to 35.
I think most people would understand.
I think he'd like to ban.
Yeah. By the way, Tim Cook says that we're going to fix this and life will go on. Jack Ma sort of painted a different picture at that BABA Investor Day. Take a listen to that.
This thing will last long. If you want to have a short-term solution, there's no short-term solution. China-USA trade lasts for 30, 40 years. Becomes such a big size. If there's no problem, it's impossible. There's a big problem, it is very natural.
Obviously carrying some water for Chinese leadership there, but said that it would be a mess for all sides, that you need new WTO. Basically, you need a WTO refresh because of these weak trade laws.
Right. Well, I think that one of the things that's happened is that we're spending society. We spend more than we ever, we're much more than any other country. And we spend it on a lot of stuff that's really throwaway. And a lot of the throwaway is from China. Now, China does have.
I know. I've made the point that our landfills are filled up with plastic from China.
You're totally with me, and that's what I've been waiting for. I've been waiting for you to come right down the pike where I am.
I've been saying that for years. That is true.
Well,
but it doesn't mean that there aren't going to be unintended consequences of a trade war with China that are going to potentially have deleterious effects for a broad variety of U.S. business and markets.
If they don't come to the table on 25, I agree with you. I'm just saying 10 is a nice warning shot, and you have to understand that they don't spend enough, and we spend a lot. They have to stop this joint ventures. They have to be able to say, look, we're done. We're going to really monitor steel. You have to join the Council of Nations.
So you think there could be an agreement on IP and joint venture and shared technology without changes in the trade deficit?
I think that if you start getting some unemployment there, look, I mean, they issued a statement saying it's not, listen, we're not going to be hurt. You don't say stuff like that unless you're going to be hurt. This is like J.P. Morgan. Remember, if you have to explain why why you don't need credit, you need credit. And I think that the Chinese are playing a dangerous game. I don't think the president's playing a dangerous game. They need our market really badly, and I can listen to Jack Ma all I want, but we spend like crazy, and yet our balance sheets for our consumers are the best they've ever been. So again, I'm just saying that if you're going to take them on, you take them on now.
Time to do it. That's true.
That's all.